everybody, welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Guess what? My friend bought a freaking Lambo, so he's gonna come pick me up real quick and we're gonna check it out. He's gonna come any minute, so I'm gonna make sure that thing is recording. All right, I got you guys. Make sure you tune in on his channel as well. He just made it for his Lambo. He's gonna have more exotic cars, so definitely he's gonna upload like crazy content just like how I do, and it's gonna be fun. So make sure you guys tune in onto his channel as well and subscribe to him. We both appreciate that, and let's get to the video. So peace out. And we got the Viper. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead. Check out the interior. Thanks, Jeff. Nice. Where's my seatbelt? That's bad. Alright, we're sitting in it right now. What's the interior like? Oh, I got all the gauges up there, huh?
Yeah, gated, nice. 6-speed.
That's awesome.
3 pedals.
2008 Lamborghini Gallardo Spider, 6-speed gated. That's awesome. And what have you done to the exhaust? It's kind of loud.
Full titanium.
Full titanium?
Yeah, straight piped.
Straight pipe.
Shoot
Awesome.
Some fires.
You guys hear that from inside. Imagine outside.
Too loud.
So we're gonna go ahead take off in a bit. Let's see.
And we got the Viper in front of us there.
Oh yeah. Guys, make sure you guys tune in on his channel because alright, we're going. About to go take some photo shoot, but just listen to this exhaust. Say what's up to YouTube.
Hey,
check out that Viper. That's a beast right there.
We'll probably jump on the highway, right?
Yeah. That's a monster, man. Check the view.
New York roads, a lot of potholes.
Oh yeah. Everyone's stirring already. That is crazy. Guys, that is crazy. Oh my god. Do you guys hear that thing? It's loud. But it's so awesome. You just can't stop hearing it.
I'm waiting for the Viper to come.
Oh, you trying to catch up? Guys, that's the owner. He's the real deal. He's the only one who's going to be driving these cars on potholes and everything in New York, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. Support him. This couldn't be done without him. I'm screaming right now.
Alright, I see the Viper is back there.
Yeah. He's coming behind us.
YouTubers and the viewers, yeah, faster than Viper or this,
right? That's true, guys. want to see next. However, like I said, oh, that's an intro now. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. Look at them, they're all staring. Everybody's staring at us. That's hilarious.
Alright, where are we off to? Yeah.
We can go on that side right there.
All right, there.
We're taking some photo shoot right here. Check this out, guys. The Viper, the Lambo, he's out. And that's the view. Getting back in. That was epic, guys. So if you wanna, you already know his channel link is in the description below. I had fun. That's awesome. So definitely, you wanna see flames and some crazy revving, a cold start, it's insane. It wakes up the whole neighborhood. So definitely subscribe to his channel. You will see more stunning content. So peace out for now and see you until next time.